Yes, good evening. Almost 1 year we had to take time to re-upload my videos. So recent we had to take an Flipkart. We had to take saving mission, mini saving mission. This is model is Akira saving mission. Akira saving mission, but the saving mission is didn't work. Mini stitches we have to work. We have to deep stitches didn't work, and we had to get the winning saving vision. We had to buy 1154. We get this foot pedal, the DC motor, DC power. We have to connect it. This will be connected. This down. This will be connected. Pedal will be up. We have to get this. This box will be get one scissor bobbins up to 5 6 in machine we have to up 5 6 and two threads, three threads, and buttons, shirt buttons, and blouse hooks. This will be blouse hooks. So we have to get this material up to 1154 in Flipkart.